A thrilling adventure into the heart of logging and timber transport. Dive into the high-stakes world of logging and timber transport, where only the strongest machinery thrives in the harshest environments. Experience firsthand the immense power of equipment designed to conquer extreme challenges and transform timber processing. Join the fearless loggers, transporters, and operators as they face these trials, where colossal chainsaws, cutting-edge machines, and advanced transport solutions redefine the industry and showcase the raw power and precision behind each operation. Unleashing the beast, the Husqvarna 3120XP chainsaw. The Husqvarna 3120XP is a force to be reckoned with in the chainsaw world. With its staggering 118 horsepower engine, it effortlessly slices through the most formidable tree trunks. Engineered for resilience, this chainsaw thrives in the demanding conditions of forestry work, offering unmatched power and control. Powered by a heavy-duty engine, it handles steep inclines and uneven ground with ease, pushing through thick underbrush and challenging environments. Its powerful suspension and sturdy chassis make it perfect for navigating remote areas and ensuring productivity in the most rugged conditions. Whether hauling logs or clearing dense vegetation, this tractor is built for the toughest forestry operations. BLB Energy Holt's GBR94575. The ultimate wood processor. The BLB Energy Holt's GBR94575 is designed for processing oversized logs with ease. With a powerful engine, it handles logs up to 5 meters long and features cone-splitting technology that cuts through massive timber without being hindered by diameter limits. This innovative machine is at the forefront of timber processing, combining raw power with cutting-edge design to ensure efficient operation and minimal waste. Excavator wood splitter and forestry crane. Efficiency in motion. The excavator wood splitter, paired with a custom forestry crane, is a game changer in timber processing. The coconut's role in promoting sustainability continues to grow, making it an invaluable resource for both the planet and its people. The world of fiber goats, a treasure of wool and milk. Now, let's explore another incredible agricultural resource, the fiber goat. These goats are primarily bred for two purposes: dairy production, for milk, and fiber production, for wool such as cashmere and mohair. Goat reproduction and care. Fiber goats have a gestation period of around 145 to 155 days, typically giving birth to 1 to 4 kids, with twins being the most common. Their diet consists of grass, hay, leaves, and straw, but farmers also supplement their food with grains, bran, and protein-rich options like soybeans and sunflower seed meal to keep them healthy and productive. Wool harvesting. Gentle and efficient harvesting wool from fiber goats requires precision and care. improving overall productivity and reducing processing times. Side tool wood splitter. Innovation in action. The side tool wood splitter integrates advanced mechanical and hydraulic systems with a mini excavator. Powered by a 75 horsepower engine, it provides fast, precise splitting of hardwoods, even those with irregularities. This innovative tool is revolutionizing the forestry industry, offering unmatched performance in splitting tasks. Custom-built firewood processor. Ultimate efficiency for high-volume firewood production. The custom-built firewood processor is the ultimate solution. Equipped with a 100 horsepower engine, it efficiently handles large quantities of firewood, cutting by hand using specialized tools or even hammers to break through the tough shell. Once dehusked, the coconuts are carefully placed on boats and transported across calm rivers to storage points, before making their way to processing factories. The coconut processing journey, turning fruit into treasure at the processing facility. Coconuts undergo several key stages to extract valuable products for food, cosmetics, and other industries. Step 1. Dehusking the coconut. The first step involves removing the outer husk of the coconut. This is done manually or with specialized machinery to strip away the tough, fibrous layer. This process requires precision to ensure the coconut remains intact for further processing. Step 2. Peeling the brown shell. After the husk is removed, the hard brown shell is peeled or shaved away to reveal the coconut meat. This step ensures the meat is clean and ready for extraction. These systems ensure that the goats are comfortable throughout the milking process. Goat meat is also highly valued in many cultures worldwide. It is carefully processed, cleaned, and trimmed to ensure premium quality before being sold in markets and supermarkets. Final thoughts: the multifaceted roles of coconuts and goats. Both coconuts and goats are vital to our world, providing food, fiber, and eco-friendly solutions, while supporting economies around the globe. Its robust engine guarantees reliability for heavy-duty splitting tasks. Timber logging truck. Power meets precision. A timber logging truck is the backbone of any large-scale operation. Designed with a high-output engine, it can haul massive loads of timber over the roughest terrain. With its reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension, it conquers even the most difficult landscapes, delivering timber to processing locations quickly and safely. Whether navigating muddy roads or rocky paths, these trucks ensure the swift and efficient transport of timber. Romanian Super Percunta Tuning Forestry Tractor, master of the terrain for the toughest terrains. The Romanian Super Percunta Tuning Forestry Tractor is the ultimate choice. The coconut's inner flesh must be free of contaminants before it can be processed into paste. Step 3. Grinding the coconut meat. Once the coconut meat is exposed, it is ground into a fine paste. This paste is then transferred into large containers where it is prepared for further processing. The quality of the paste is crucial to the final product, so maintaining the right texture and consistency is essential. Step 4. Centrifugal separation for pure coconut oil. The paste is then placed in a centrifuge, a machine that uses high-speed rotation to separate the coconut oil from other elements. The oil, being lighter in density, rises to the top, or it is separated from the water and impurities. The result is pure, high-quality coconut oil, which retains the natural fragrance and flavor of the coconut. The versatility of dried coconut meat. After processing, the coconut meat is dried to create a versatile ingredient used in foods, cosmetics, and even healthcare products.